Okay, hi guys, it's Cowgirl Clark, and as I was saying, hi guys, it's Cowgirl Clark, and here's all these trails and stuff, but we're going to head this way, and because we just went down a very steep hill, we just climbed up it. It's steeper in real life. Whew. Almost got in it. Okay, so we're turning right here. Here's some cars and stuff. It wasn't really a trail for you guys, but we're going to the Snake Saw Us trailer, which I'm the doctor, of course.
We're going back to the trailer.
Yeah, the girl talking is Carolina. She's my friend. Okay, so here's a huge tree. There's some cars over there marked. And if you are watching this YouTube video and you're in the YouTube video, wow, you are a lucky person. Ooh, cars coming. Cars coming. Gotta go. There's my dad's truck. And then I'm a great recorder. I don't think so myself. So let's walk right here. There's another trail. It's called Turtle Creek Bike Trail. We're gonna take a peek in here. It goes way back there. I don't know if I'm allowed to though. Here's a map. You can pause it in the video right here and look at this map. So cool. And there's our Southeastern Reptile Rescue Snake Trailer. I'm the daughter, the oldest. I'm 10. And yeah, well, there it is. You can pause it right here and see. Well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. I know it was pretty short, but it's our nature trail. It's called Nature Trail. Bye.